Hey guys, this is my RC helicopter. I had a problem with since I bought it. It had the problem that that rotor just doesn't work, it doesn't spin. So I thought that the problem was the motor. So I bought some new floor and I changed it. But it looks like the problem is that this wire, I don't want to get it, always comes out. So I didn't solve it good, so this is a problem. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix it. So okay, and over here I'm using my homemade fume extractor, and hopefully you can see it on my channel. Okay, so there I'm gonna solder here some. Over here some. Okay. Hopefully you can see everything. Okay, so there it is. I fixed it. So let us try it. Okay, let me bring my RC. Okay, so. Oh, nice. Look. Okay, look. Yeah, it's perfect. Look. Here, both of them are spinning. Yeah, great. Okay, so let me put everything. Okay, so just a sec. Okay. Sorry about that. Oh shit. Wait a second. Okay guys, I think that you see pretty much it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna make another movie about how flying it. So please subscribe and enjoy.